Where's the plate? Oh, sure. Oh.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
안녕하세요. 저는 이주빈입니다. 한국 사람이고, 네, 말레이시아는 산지 3년 8개월 차고요. 여기서 일을 하고 있습니다.
안녕하세요. I'm Eugenia. I'm from Korean, local Malaysian, but I'm from Sabah. My favorite fruit, green apple and kiwi.
For me, watermelon and banana.
Can you wish each other good luck?
I think. Is there a durian?
Let's see. No.
Because I don't like real durian.
Oh.
Cannot say anything.
You try to find the fork. Go ahead and taste it.
Where's the plate?
The fruit is already on your fork. So you
Oh,
can just Jubin looks very confident.
Yes.
Okay, you can take off your blindfold now and bite it.
How does it taste? Is it sweet? Is it sour?
Sweet.
bearable sweet.
Have you tried this fruit before?
Yep,
Yep.
quite
Is
common.
it seasonal?
I don't think it's seasonal.
You can find it like all year.
In Korea, seasonal. Not sure, but
On count of 3, alright? 1, 2, 3.
yeah. Because
Or do you
I
think-
feel the peel. Because I was confusing with the pear.
the
I
pear?
taste like an apple.
Okay, are you confident that you are right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! I think my tongue is a bit broken. Oh
The
my
texture is
God.
more
Oh.
kasar than apple. Yee-hoo!
Apple.
What do you think?
Actually, I'm not sure about the answer. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. Whoa, one more. Oh,
Do you think this is a very common fruit or it's something that you only find it seasonal?
I think it's very common,
Common.
but I don't know.
What do you eat the fruit with?
Yogurt.
I really don't
Teacher?
like asking Jubin.
No, yes, I don't know the difference.
I think he's just trying to make up like, I think it looks, it feels, it tastes
Okay,
good.
let's skip all the questions. 1, 2, 3. Today.
Once again.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Very good. Need to flip the answer.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
So this time is
Yes, sagwa.
Finally, sagwa.
Oh, finally sagwa.
So are you ready for the next fruits?
Yes. Oh, sure. Oh,
Oh,
sour.
so yes.
Oh, bitter. Oh, bitter. Sagwa?
Sagwa?
Agua again.
Sagwa again. Okay, sagwa again.
Is it expensive in Korea?
Malaysian one is cheaper.
Cheaper, but the
in
quality
Korea,
is
yeah.
the same.
I will check the price first. If I can afford, then I'll buy it. Because sometimes the price fluctuate a little.
I see. I see. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, easy.
Yeah, finally no more
Aha.
apple. Yeah,
That's
manga. Yeah. Oh.
I think you know the fruit,
Okay.
but I don't think you know the answer, the name of it.
Okay.
But you can
Oh.
try. Three.
I'm not sure.
1, 2, 3.
Papaya?
Melon.
Melon.
Yes,
Melon.
the texture is like similar. I'm very confused.
Have you seen papaya before?
Yeah, but a long time ago. Long time ago.
Babam.
Wow, papaya, yes.
I like it
Because
in
the texture
pickle.
like the melon, but different taste.
Why do you guys always end with question marks at the end?
How can you see it's a question mark? I don't taste anything special. Taste something similar to melon, but not as strong as melon. Then it has a bit same as mango.
Familiar, but I don't
You don't know.
know the answer.
Let's go. Peach.
Guava?
Guava.
Oh, guava.
Good. Try. Are you ready to check the answer? Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Come? Huh? Really? Oh my god! So that's why I feel very familiar.
Can I write it down now?
아니 분명히 없다고 했는데. Oh.
I thought you
We are
guys
going
said.
to give you guys a very lenient option. Are we tasting the fruit?
No.
I can. I can.
I think we, for the sake of having Jubin again on our show next time, we will not let you taste the durian. Maybe we can just skip the tasting part. Let's just write the answer on your whiteboard first.
I will try.
You will try?
Yeah. I will try.
Let's
Try.
Let's give you a small piece.
No. I can smell it.
Wow, very, very confident bite. Hey, you like it, actually.
Oh.
Oh, so difficult.
So difficult.
How's the taste? Like
Sweet,
sweet, delicious.
creamy.
How about you?
Oh, so strong smell. Soft, but it's not my type. Rating 1.5.
At least 1.5.
Yeah.
Yes, you try. How about you, Gina?
10?
10?
Wow.
Are you ready to reveal your answer for this fruit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Bom bom.
Wow.
Durian.
We are very appreciative on Jubin
Jubin's.
trying. I'm going to award you 2 points instead.
Wow. Yeah.
Extra points for tasting.
Plus
Thank
a
you.
durian.
Yes, you bring back.
Bring back.
3.
Yay! Wow. One more time. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Wow. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Actually, it has the two types. One is the big, and one is the small one. I like the small one.
I think I like the big one. I eat it like apple though.
Really?
I eat it like apple.
1, 2, 3.
Babam.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Okay.
Yay!
Let's give a big hand for Eugenia.
Congrats, congrats.
Oh, cool.
A for apple, B for banana, G for grape, D for durian. It's not obvious, but durian. P for papaya. And we have P for pear, E for tomatoes, M for mango.
또 바나나, 토마토, 망고, 딸기, 두리안.
So first I would like to thank my grandparents and my parents for giving me a lot of fruits. And I usually have it as a morning breakfast, sometimes to have it with yogurt. So you need to take more vitamin C and especially from the fruits so that you can have a healthy lifestyle. First, I would like to thank Jubin for coming, and second, we'd like to thank Jubin for trying the durian. That's it.
Thank you. 우선 첫 번째가 아니었고 두 번째인데 네, 태규 형이 없어서 좀 아쉽고 네 그리고 오늘 이진아 씨랑 같이 네, 찍게 돼서 너무 영광입니다. 오늘 너무 네 과일 네, 이렇게 하게 됐는데 생각보다 너무 못 맞아서 좀 아쉽고 네, 다음에 또 있으면 또 촬영하고 싶습니다. 정말 감사합니다. 구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정.
Okay, that's it for our fruit challenge. Thank you very much. How do you like the fruits?
Good.
Good.
나이스.
Durian.
10 out of 10.
Additional 0.5.
아~